Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. Number 1. Go to TikTok and click on your profile. Number 2. Tap on drafts and check if the video you are looking for is in here. Number 3. If it is not in your drafts, then you can go to your photo gallery to see if the video was saved in here. Number 4. If it is not in your gallery, then let's go back to TikTok. Click the three lines on the upper right corner. Number 5. Go to Settings and Privacy. Number 6. Go to Account. Number 7. Click on Download your data. Number 8. In here, down below, we can select the file format of the data we want to request to retrieve from TikTok. Choose one, then click on Request Data. Number 9. Be mindful of the information provided above. It says your request may take a few days to process. Once your file is ready, it will be available to download up to 4 days. Keep in mind that TikTok's features and policies might change over time. So, it is a good idea to check TikTok's official help center or community forums for the most up-to-date information.